Right, welcome back to the channel. There's been a bit of a change since the last time. The Laurel is gone, the Cefiro is gone. So all I'm left with is a bunch of parts and another Cef. So yeah, the whole country's on lockdown and I have an extra 3 weeks off work. So the plan is to get the car running. And it's always a good plan to say that you're going to get something done and then you never will get it done. So we'll see what happens in 3 weeks time. Right, so here's the RB20 out of the other Cefiro. I kept all the running gear. The manifold on the other one was cracked. You can see there. So I've had another manifold there and I'm after swapping it over. Now the studs on this one were an awful lot longer than the one that's going onto it. So hopefully that won't make too big of a difference because there was this little spacer plate for the turbo. So I'm hoping that won't cause any issues. The engine crane there ready to go in. The car will have to be moved over in order to get it onto the flat surface, and I'm not going to be able to, because on this it's too rough for the engine crane. I did want to throw the engine into it and then put the gearbox in after, but it's just going to be too awkward. So what I'm going to try and do is jack the back of the car up as high as possible and use the load leveler to try and angle it in that I'm not going to damage the slam panel when I'm trying to put the engine in. So hopefully I won't have any issues in regards to that. So I'll just keep going and I'll check back up in a few minutes when I have a bit more done. Right, okay, it is half six, 7, I don't know what time it is, still bright outside, which is great, but the battery in my phone died because I was listening to music. Anyway, we have good news, because if you look behind me, it's just full of shite again, because there's no engine in here, because the engine is now in the Cef. So you can see my very fancy bonnet stay to stop the bonnet from coming down while I was doing this. I didn't take it off actually, which I didn't think I'd be able to get in without taking it off. But anyway, look, the engine is in and gearbox is in as well. So I haven't even bothered fiddling around with any of the wiring, just connected up the rad and that's it. So that's probably tomorrow's job. But yeah, look, I'm really happy with what I got done today. I didn't think I was going to get as much done at all. So the plan for tomorrow is rear subframe, which is going to be awkward to get in because it'll be fairly heavy. So I'll strip everything off it as much as I can to make it that bit lighter. Then get the diff in, get the prop in. The diff is going to be heavy as well. And keep going from there. Really happy with what I got done today, delighted. So I actually didn't think I was going to get the engine and gearbox in the way I was going to. On my load leveler, I wasn't able to use that, so I had to use the ratchet strap. But no, absolutely delighted. So today was productive. It was better than sitting at home all day playing the Xbox or the PlayStation or the Switch. So yeah, look, we'll just come back tomorrow, go at the car again, try and get as much done as possible. As I said, I've got 3 weeks off work because of this whole lockdown quarantine stuff. So if I can't get the car put together in 3 weeks, I probably shouldn't be going at this thing at all. Please don't come back and bite me in the arse for saying that. Anyway, look, we'll come back tomorrow and we get more done.